This is day 75 of my vlogs. So today I made a bit progress with my voice agent. I again played a lot of chess. Today I also produced a video that I have just uploaded. Right now I'm very tired, and tomorrow I will go water skiing with the swimming team. I gotta wake up at 7 a.m. It is about 12 a.m. right now, which leaves me with probably, when I go to bed, 6.5 hours of sleep, 6 hours 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna be very tired. So today I subscribed to the Make Pro plan with my own money. Today I don't use the free trial anymore. I just pay for it because Make is, besides ChatGPT, one of the backbones of my business. So now I'm gonna go to bed. That's for today. See you tomorrow. Peace.